Hey, Invest Crew! Welcome back to Investing Alerts, where we keep you ahead of the game with the latest market moves and opportunities. Today, we've got some juicy updates on GameStop, GME, that you won't want to miss. And stay tuned until the end for an exclusive price analysis and predictions. So, what's the latest buzz around GME? Well, the stock has been on a roller coaster ride recently, and a big part of that is due to GameStop's recent at-the-market, ATM, equity offering. The company raised a whopping $933 million by selling 45 million shares. This move has beefed up their cash reserves to nearly $2 billion. But what does this mean for investors like you? Firstly, let's talk about the dilution of shares. Increasing the number of outstanding shares can dilute the value of existing ones. However, the fresh capital gives GameStop the flexibility to invest in growth initiatives, enhance their e-commerce capabilities, and maybe even make some strategic acquisitions. This could be a game changer if they play their cards right. Now, for some exciting news. Keith Gill, aka Roaring Kitty, recently returned to the social media scene with a highly anticipated live stream. His long-term bullish outlook on GameStop has stirred the pot, bringing a surge of interest and speculation. Gill's insights and strategies have always been a goldmine for retail investors, and this time is no different. All right, Invest Crew, if you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. Back to GameStop. There are also rumors swirling about CEO Ryan Cohen potentially buying Bitcoin. While these are just speculations for now, any official confirmation could significantly impact the stock and add another layer of excitement for investors. Now let's dive into what's next for GME. With the added funds from the stock offering, GameStop is in a strong financial position to pursue new growth opportunities. But they need to execute their strategy effectively to ensure long-term profitability and market leadership. The retail investor community will be closely watching their next moves. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know which stock you want us to cover next. Your suggestions help us tailor our content to what you want to see. And as promised, here's a quick look at our price analysis and predictions for GME. But before we do, consider the current market sentiment and strategic developments. GameStop's stock could see significant movement. However, the volatility remains high. So keep an eye on key announcements and market trends. Now, in this part, we're going to get technical, literally. Let's break down what the charts are telling us, pinpoint the key support and resistance levels, and predict GME's potential price movements for the week of June 10th, 2024, along with some exciting potential scenarios. First, let's dive into the technical indicators on GME's chart. The stock has been on a roller coaster ride, and understanding the key indicators can help us navigate the potential ups and downs. Right now, the RSI for GME is currently at 33.45. An RSI below 30 typically indicates that a stock is oversold, while above 70 suggests it's overbought. Being close to the oversold territory could signal that GME might be due for a bounce back, but it's not a guarantee. Now, currently the super trend indicator is still bearish, as GME's price is below the super trend line. This means the current trend is negative, but trends can change, especially with new information or market shifts. And also, understanding the support and resistance levels is crucial for predicting price movements, as it sits at the immediate resistance level for GME is around $29.46. If the stock manages to break through this level, it could indicate a reversal of the downtrend and possibly lead to higher prices. Also, as we can see, the support level is at $24.15. If GME falls below this level, it could lead to further declines, reinforcing the bearish trend. Now let's get into some price targets and predictions. If GME break, resistance, the short-term target. If GME breaks above the $29.46 resistance level, we could see a short-term rally. The next target would be around $35, where it previously faced resistance. This could happen quickly if positive sentiment builds around the stock. Long-term target. Looking further ahead, if GME maintains momentum and continues to break higher resistance levels, we could see it reaching $40 to $45 in the longer term. This would likely require sustained positive news and a bullish market environment. Now let's look into the impact of rate cuts. Immediate impact. If the Fed signals a rate cut later this year, we might see an immediate boost in market sentiment. Lower interest rates make borrowing cheaper, which can lead to increased spending and investment in stocks like GME. This could help push GME above key resistance levels. What would the future price look like? Should the rate cuts happen, and if GME capitalizes on this improved sentiment, we could see the stock reaching the $45 to $50 range in the longer term, as lower rates generally favor equities. What if GME adopted Bitcoin? Let's look more into this exciting scenario. In the short-term impact. If GameStop officially announces Bitcoin adoption, we could see a surge in buying interest. Crypto enthusiasts and investors might flock to GME, driving up the price. In the short term, this could push GME above $35 quickly. However, the long-term impact. With a successful integration and adoption of Bitcoin, this could significantly boost GameStop's appeal and market value. This will propel the stock into the $50 to $60 range or higher, depending on the broader market acceptance and the success of the implementation. In summary, GME is navigating a critical juncture. The technical indicators suggest potential for a rebound, but much will depend on breaking key resistance levels and broader economic factors. If we see positive Fed signals and confirmation of Bitcoin adoption, the sky's the limit for GME's price. All right, that's it for this video, Invest Crew. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Drop your comments below. What do you think will happen with GME this week? Let's keep the conversation going and help each other stay informed. See you in the next video.